Hello, welcome. Question 14. Let's delve into this and see. This is on variation, obviously on inverse variation. If you check the playlist for variation on the YouTube, you get all information you need to know about what variation. So we're having a variable p varies inversely as the square of q. So if p is varying inversely as the square of what? Q. By an equation, we can say that P is equals to the constant of variation is K divided by what? The Q square. Remember, we need to know the values of P and Q. First, the K must be known, the constant must be known. So if you cross multiply, your K become P times what? The square of what? The value of Q. Let's say we have when P is 5, Q is what? 6. So in the case of this, I should be having 5 times 6 squared, which is going to be 36 times 5, or 5 times 6, which is 30 times what? 6. That gives you 180. Knowing 180 means that we can rewrite the relation between P and Q as 180 divided by Q squared. This is the relation connecting the P and what? Q. But what do I need? I need to find the value of Q when P is 1.8. So that simply means coming back to this place, I can cross multiply again to have my PQ square equals what? 180. Divide both sides by P. I know that my Q square will be equals to 180 divided by what? I think I am used to degree, so I keep on writing degree. Now, let's see. We need the Q itself. So that means Q will be equals to the root of 180 divided by what? P. So when P now is 1.8, we need to know the value of Q when that is solved. So let's go. The root of 180 divided by 1.8. What do I do? I multiply the top and down by 10 to convert the decimal fraction into a whole number. Meaning 1,800 divided by 18. If we divide that, you should be having what? 100. That is root what? 100. Making Q equals what? 10. So the value of Q that will make the option correct is going to be the option B as what? 10. I guess, clear? I can see the down part is not showing, but the values I've mentioned is 180 divided by what? Q squared. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 15.